Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ala. Today I wanted to do just a quick video on just kind of going out and about and running a few errands, and wanted to put on some makeup to look a little more put together. And I wanted to use as many of my affordable products as possible that I own. I don't have that many in general in my collection, so the ones I do own, I'll show you what I have, and then I'll create the look. I'll just create a look with it. So for primer, Glossier is not the most expensive brand at Sephora, so I'm just gonna stick to the priming moisturizer that I've had, and I'm like halfway already through this tube. I've been recommending it to friends and family because it's so moisturizing. It's such a great, especially it feels like it's perfect for winter time, because it really just creates this like silky smooth canvas. I can't even really explain it. The texture is really lovely. And I don't have a foundation that's drugstore price, so I'm going to just use my Bareminerals Complexion Rescue. I did get this on sale, so that kind of brings the price down to it being closer to drugstore, because the drugstore foundations are not really that cheap. Like, I went and looked recently and they're not that cheap. Like, even e.l.f., it's like just a primer is $15, and that seems like a lot for just a primer. I don't know. And then on top of that, you're gonna need a foundation, and on top of that a powder just to set it if that's what your routine. So it really does quite add up. But anyways, this is just a kind of a simple minimal makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you have been doing well. And then for concealer, I have this Air Perez. It's not this one's not drugstore either, because I had the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, but honestly it's drying. Even the hydrating one, it's drying. I've tried it. It doesn't sit well. It feels like it sucks out the moisture from under your eyes. So if people are enjoying it, that's great, but I don't think that it works for everyone. And I have like normal to dry skin, and I don't even live in like the driest part of the world, so for a concealer to be that dry, I just wouldn't buy it or recommend it at all. For powder, I'm using the Ciate Extraordinary Translucent Powder. It's just the white one, but it's translucent. And then for bronzer, I have this Han Skincare Cosmetics. I think I got it from like Target or something a while ago, and it's definitely or it might have been Amazon actually, just kidding. But this one, yeah, is definitely not an expensive brand from what I remember. I think I got it like a year or two, like 2 years ago. But I'm not gonna use a cream bronzer because I don't have a drugstore cream. And in general, I'm just not really a fan of the e.l.f. products. And I like how small and compact this is too. It's really nice. Now for blush, I have this Laura Geller in Brighten Roseberry. And this is really, really pretty. It's a baked formula. See if I can change the lighting a little bit. Hope you can see the colors a little bit better this way. And this is what the color looked like, roseberry. Nature Republic is a Korean brand, and I'd say it's more on the affordable side for sure. So I'll just use the pencil, brush it through. And for eyeshadow, I am going to use this Ulta Beauty Matte Cream in Game Over, just as the base. I'll just blend it out. This is a cool tone. I'd say it's like a cool tone mauve beige. And then the Sephora collection, this is their metallic eyeshadow in Fantasia. If I can open it, hold on. Oh. Yeah, that's really pretty. It's one of my faves. It's just like a cool toned one and done eyeshadow. So pretty. I'll just put it on the lower lash line too. Another step that I have, I kind of regularly do is I have a cream shadow stick that I run on the lower lash line, and I have this e.l.f. one, as I just mentioned that I didn't like e.l.f. that much. This product I actually really like, and this is the e.l.f. No Budge Shadow Stick in Copper Chic. and it's I like the shade because it's nice and soft. My favorite one, I have a few favorite ones from Laura Mercier. This one is like almost like that no makeup days, and it's like soft and barely there, but just it creates a shadow, which is really nice. And for eyeliner, I'm using this Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil. Just a little bit of upper lash line definition. And I don't have a drugstore mascara. I only have one mascara, so I'm just going to use this Clinique mascara. I don't have a highlighter that is drugstore, so I'm just gonna move on to the lips. I'm going to use the Sephora Collection lip liner in Suede. There's the difference. It's like a line versus no line. It's quite amazing. So this one just kind of disappears into your lip color, which is so pretty. And then I wanted to use the Ravi Beauty because I'm just going to a few stores. I wanted to have this sort of a balmy gloss. And that's the Ravi. And I don't have any other setting spray, so I'm just going to use the Porfessional. All right, so that completes my makeup look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will kind of keep my eye open and my ears open to suggestions from you guys as to like maybe a good, like the best foundation from the drugstore. I may be open to going and checking something out, but really, since this channel is more of like an olive tone focus, it's not so much brands as it is color tones and things that kind of complement olive skin. So if I mention things, it's because I've invested time and energy into finding colors that are complementary, kind of like this e.l.f. one, this e.l.f. stick, where it's the color tone that I've looked for a while, just to create that shadow under the eye, because I have like more of a flatter face shape. Then I like creating depth and dimension in the eye area. So it's about colors and color tones that flatter olive skin. So please excuse me if I don't always use drugstore makeup, but I appreciate you guys watching so much, and have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye.